Alright, y'all, good afternoon, man. It's a little late in the day right now, but we figured we'll do this tonight. Well, actually, I figured we'll do it tonight, especially when I got low, man. He just want to hang out, be in the car. So, first things first, you obviously have to have the car running, so you have to turn it on. He pushing the lights. Come on, we're going to show him how to do this update. I'm going to turn the heat down, but it is cold in here. This update does require you to have the car running. So you definitely need the car running. So this is the USB stick you want to use. This is what you should have. Now you want to make sure that those little 4 prongs there are pointing up when you put it in, and then that should get you started. Make sure you click USB and then plug in this, so that way it will do its update. So USB tray is down there for those who don't know. It is right there. Don't mind my junk. So you just pop that in here. Just slide right in. You have to give it a second for it to pop up on your screen. If you currently have an old software. So this is the version I have right now, 18.1307. The one I'm going to be updating to is 18.45.01. You want to hit yes. System being reset. Proper reset could take up to 35 seconds while saving data. Oh, this kid over here is just messing with stuff. Alright, so if it's doing it the proper way, you should be seeing this screen come up. Finally comes up. Now this part is at least gonna take 20-25 minutes. So me and Javon are gonna go back in the house. We'll come back out in 20 minutes. And it should be updated with the new software. Alright, come on, Papa. We're gonna go back in the house really quick, okay? It's freezing. Alright, so this should be done by now. Let's check. Yep, so what I thought. Let's get these lights back on. Alright, so that should be done. Software update successful. You can remove your device. Now, do you want to reinstall APP software? You want to hit no. You want to go ahead and pull the flash drive out. It's safe to do so now that you hit no. And that update screen is gone. So just place that there. Now, this next step is critical. So make sure you follow step by step of what I'm about to tell you, because this is the main part for your car to actually reset and take the update the proper way. So what you want to do is turn off the car. You want to open the door, close it. Do not put your foot on a brake or anything. Just let the car finish about 60 seconds.
A few moments later.
Now, 60 seconds is over. You want to turn the car back on. Let it turn it back off. Open the door. Close it. And then wait another 60 seconds. Go up again. You should be able to just get out. Everything should be all good. Let's just go ahead and double check. Let's see what our software was. I don't know why this is playing FM right now. Go to settings, scroll down, system information. So you should see that, 18.45.01. That's the newest update. Now, what this update includes, I did not read the little paper that came in the mail. I think it's a map update, if I'm not mistaken. Updated the map and obviously the little bugs and glitches that's going on with it. I know sometimes my phone doesn't connect to the system. Sometimes it takes like 5-10 minutes while I'm driving, then it'll automatically come out of nowhere and connect. But I think that's it. I think that's the only thing that what the update was about. I actually got to read that sheet and see what else was the fix for this. But I hope that was a good video for y'all. Hopefully that helped some of y'all do the update. I know some people was having troubles with it. I've done an update before, and I've done a video as well for the first update for this car like 3 years ago. And a lot of people were doing their updates incorrectly. They were blacking out their systems, or the update was just getting stuck and then they couldn't use any of their Bluetooth features or whatever. Obviously you need this to control all your heat and stuff, so you don't want to do this incorrectly and mess anything up. So hopefully if you like that video, just throw a thumbs up. Let me know how y'all think if y'all did an update. Let me know if y'all see any changes. Maybe there's some new, you know what, let me go through this and see if there's some new sometimes there's new backgrounds. So let's see if there's any new backgrounds. Display, set theme, Any new ones? Nope, they got the same 5 that was in there. Nope, same 5 that was in there. Nothing's new. Same 5 themes. All right, y'all, but that's it, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a safe drive. It's late right now, so if you're on your way home, man, drive safe. It's super cold up here in New York, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Y'all be safe. I'm out. Peace.